Hi friends, I just got my order from the Nicole Josephine website and I want to show you all the cute things that I bought. I bought a forest planner. It is undated and very minimal, which I love. I also got a clear cover to protect it. These brass page markers are so beautiful. They are very small and thin, so I guess they won't make the pages too bulky. The washi tape that I wanted was sold out, but I'm glad I got this other one, which is also very nice. Now let's open the planner finally. I love that it comes in this cute box that I can reuse to store sticker sheets. The pages are thin but good quality. I will have to test them later with my pencil markers. It has many blank grid pages to customize, then the monthly calendars and the weekly spreads. I will add the clear protector now, but eventually I will remove it again so that I can decorate the cover of the planner. Now let's open the brass clip. It looks so good. It will help keep the pages flat as I'm writing or while I'm taking photos of a spread. I think I will use one page marker for the current month calendar, another for the current week, and the last one probably for any notes that I write on the back. I love the colors of this washi tape. I believe I didn't have any others with similar tones. Overall, I like everything that I ordered and I'm excited to use it. I might use it more as a journal for memories instead of a planner for tasks, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching.